Welcome back to this channel. If you're into tech or just need a solid screen recorder that won't slow down your PC, you're gonna want to check this out. Today, I'm diving into RecMaster Screen Recorder, a low MB powerhouse for Windows that packs a punch with features you wouldn't expect from something so lightweight. So what makes RecMaster special? First off, it's got not one, not two, but 7 different recording modes. I'm talking full screen, custom area, game mode, webcam, audio only, and more. Whether you're making tutorials, showing off your gaming skills, or just capturing a quick walkthrough, RecMaster's got you covered. And yes, it supports HD and even up to 4K recording, so your videos look crisp and professional every time. One of my favorite things? The auto start recording option. If you've ever missed an important moment because you forgot to hit record, yeah, I've been there. This feature is a lifesaver. Just set it up and RecMaster will start capturing exactly when you want. Picture-in-picture is also built in, so if you want to show your face while recording your screen, maybe for reaction videos or online classes, it takes just a click. And if you're the kind of person who likes to plan ahead, the schedule recording feature means you can set it and forget it. No more scrambling to press record at the right moment. Now let's talk about making your videos pop. RecMaster lets you annotate while recording. You can highlight, draw, add shapes, perfect for tutorials or walkthroughs where you need to point things out. Prefer editing after you're done? No problem. Trim clips, add effects, and polish your video right inside the app. Watermarks are super easy too. You can add a custom watermark, text or image, so your content always gets the credit it deserves. Here's a cool touch. RecMaster lets you choose different cursor effects and colors. You can even set custom sounds or colors for left and right click. If you're making step-by-step guides, this makes your instructions way clearer and more engaging for your viewers. So whether you're a content creator, educator, or gamer, RecMaster offers all the essentials, and then some, without bogging down your machine. If you want a screen recorder that's easy to use, packed with features, and delivers sharp results, give RecMaster a look. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe for more tech tips and reviews. Thanks for watching.